Hello, welcome to this video where I'll be sharing with you how to make money in Nigeria every day by selling mobile data online. So in the digital age, everyone needs data for their mobile device, and this presents an opportunity to make money by becoming a data reseller. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So in this video, I'll be literally sharing with you easy steps you could literally use to make money by reselling data, by selling mobile data online. So right now, the first step you need to take right now is to understand the market. So the first step you need to do is to understand the market of mobile data in Nigeria. So you need to know how much people are willing to pay for data and the best way to sell it. So you could do this by carrying out market research and also observing the market trend. So step two right now is to choose a reliable data provider. So after you have understand the market, the next step is to choose a reliable data provider. So you need to find a reliable data provider that offers competitive price and reliable service. So you can find data provider by searching online. So I will recommend you register with vtu.ng. It is a very reliable data provider. So the step three right now is to register with a reseller platform. So once you have a reliable data provider, the next step is to register with a reseller platform. There are several reseller platforms in Nigeria, such as Recharge Card and Get Paid, vtu.ng, and bunch of others. So this platform allows you to sell data and airtime, and also sells other digital products to customers, and they provide you with necessary tools and support you need to do so. So if you want me to do a detailed video about vtu.ng, where I'll be walking you guys step by step on how to create an account and also on how to start selling data on vtu.ng, I would advise you drop the comment, so I'm going to consider doing the video for you guys. So the step four right now is to promote your product, because this is where it gets interesting. Because if you did not really promote your product, you are not going to start making money. You are not going to start getting sales. So it's important for you to promote your product. It's important for you people to patronize you. So once people patronize you, you are going to get paid. So to start making money, you need to promote your business to potential customers. You could do that by creating a website, a social media page for your business. You could do that by running paid ads on social media platform, if only you have the money to run paid ads. So the key is to reach as many people as possible who are in need of data, on their device. So another method you could use to promote your business is through using your WhatsApp status, and also using your Instagram pages, your Twitter pages, your Facebook pages. So you could literally create a flyer listing your data plans. You could tell them that they can buy data from you at a cheaper rate, and then you could use vtu.ng to go buy the data. So once you create an account of vtu.ng, you could buy data at a lower rate. So you could resell this data to people and you make profit for you. That is how this literally works. So you could literally go create an account on vtu.ng. It's called vtu.ng. Once you create an account, you're going to buy data at a cheaper rate there, and then you could literally resell it to people and you make profit. So right now, if you want me to do a detailed video about everything you need to know about vtu.ng and how to make 15,000 naira selling data online, I would advise you comment down below. So I'm going to consider making this video for you guys. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so if you know you are getting early value from this video. So once you subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube is going to send you the video once the video drops. So if you are getting any value from this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tips. So the fifth step right now is to offer great customer service. So once you are done getting customers, it's important to offer a very great customer service to retain them. So respond to their inquiries and prompts, and also offer assistance when they need it. So happy customers are likely to refer you to other businesses, which means you have more chance of making more sales for yourself. Right now, you could literally see this how you could literally start a data business, and you could start earning money every single day. So this is a great way to make money in Nigeria by selling mobile data online. It's a very great way for you to make money in Nigeria by selling mobile data, by understanding the market, by choosing a reliable data provider, so you could start earning money every single day. So what are you waiting for right now? Start your data reselling business today. And also guys, a video is going to be popping up right here that's going to be showing you guys on how to make money online. So if you want to learn the secrets I use in making $2,000 every single month, click the first link in the description right now. Click the first link in the description. It's going to take you to it's going to review all the secrets I'll be using in making $2,000 for myself. And also, if you are getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, so you're gonna be notified anytime I drop awesome videos on how to make money on my channel.